Good morning, students. Very good morning. Today in this section, we are going to discuss how to convert the real life problem into a mathematical problem. Okay? We are all know mathematics plays a very important role in our day-to-day life. Wherever we go, we use mathematics. It may be a market, it may be a banking. In our day-to-day life, wherever we go, we use mathematics. Not only in our day-to-day life, in all the other fields, like engineering, like in the field of medicine, in the field of agriculture, whatever the field, we use mathematics. So, without mathematics, we cannot survey in this world. So, in this class, we are going to discuss how to convert the real life problem into a mathematical problem, right? Before that, I want to discuss a little bit real life incident. Okay, you have to consider like this. Suppose your father wants to buy a car. Your father wants to buy a car. You go to the showroom with your father and your family members to buy a car. Okay. When you enter into the showroom, your father told that, dear family members, by your decision and by your opinion and by your suggestion only, I want to buy a new car. So you are the decision maker to buy a new car. Okay. So he told like that. You enter into the showroom. In the showroom, only 5 cars are available. Okay. Only 4 cars are, 5 cars are available. You and your family members go through all these 5 cars. Okay. You go with your father, your mother, your brother and your sister. Okay. You go through all these 5 cars. Okay. And your father told that when you choose a car, you must mind about the following characters, the following attributes. Okay. The first one is the car must be an expansive one. The car must be an expansive one. It must be beautiful. It must be an attractive one. It must have comfortable seating arrangement and it must be a colorful one. These are the attributes. Based on these attributes only, you want to choose a car. Your father told like this. So these are the 5 cars in the showroom. You have to choose the car based on the 5 attributes. What are the 5 attributes? It must be expansive. It must be beautiful. Next one, colorful. It must have comfortable seating arrangement. In the last one, attractive. So these are the attributes. Based on these attributes, you want to purchase a car. Okay. All of you go to the 5 cars, go through the 5 cars. Each and every members of your family have their own decision. Some may be like this car, this one is attractive, comparing with this one. Okay. If a sister says that this one is attractive, okay, this one is beautiful, like that, each one have their own opinion and suggestion to choose a car. Your mother, some may be like that. Okay, this one is have a comfortable seating arrangement. Okay, so these 5 people have their own opinion to choose this car. So now your father totally confused about that. What's the correct choice? What is the correct choice? How to decide that? So this is a very simple real life problem. Am I right? This is a very simple real life problem. This is a decision making problem. This is one example for decision making problem. How to choose a correct decision. How to choose a correct solution for that. Okay. What we do? For that, we have a set in mathematics. We have a set in mathematics. That is name it as soft set. It is nothing but the generalization of fuzzy set. Soft set is nothing but what? The generalization of fuzzy set. Dear students, you are learned about fuzzy set. What is fuzzy set? Know about that. What is fuzzy set? What is fuzzy set? Can anybody, Merlin? Can you say? What is fuzzy set? In the previous classes we have learned, I think. Yeah, very good. It is defined by a membership function from the universal set to the closed interval 0, 1. Okay. The collection of all ordered pairs of this collection will be denoted as a fuzzy set. This is known as fuzzy set. Okay. So this is a soft set, that is the generalization of fuzzy set. The next stage. Okay. So soft set is, fuzzy set is one of the component or subset of what? Soft set. So okay. So now consider this example before go into the definition of fuzzy set. How to convert this problem into a mathematical problem. The problem you have, I know. The problem you have now, I know. What's your problem? To choose the correct car. To choose the correct decision. Okay. So how to convert it? How many cars are there in the universe? Only 5 cars are there. Okay. Take that 5 cars as a whole set. Universal set. You all know, dear students, universal set means the whole set. That is the highest possibility collection. Okay. The whole set. You have to consider that 5 cars as a universal set. Next, okay. The next, you have some attributes. Your father wants to decide what are the attributes about that car. Decision parameters. What are, it must be comfortable, it must be colorful, it must be expansive, it must have attractive, it must be attractive. These are the 5 attributes. Okay. So take it as another parameter. So this is a universal set, this is a parameterized set. Am I right? So the first parameter E1, it is expansive. Okay. The second parameter, take it as E2, that is beautiful. The third parameter, that is E3, attractive. The fourth parameter, E4, comfortable seating arrangement. The fifth one is colorful. Like that, you want to choose this. Okay. Universal set, this is known as parameterized set. So these are the fixed one. Okay. Next, suppose by your opinion, you are a buyer, by your opinion, you can write here also the collection of order pairs. You can see, I think, the order pairs. You can see here we have the order pairs. Okay. Collection of order pairs. E1 means that according to your opinion, the first one. Okay. According to your opinion, E1 means that these are the cause. What is E1? Expansive cause. The expansive cause are, what are they? C2, C3 and C5. The next one, the next parameter, beautiful cause. That is the second and fourth. And E3 means that attractive car. That is the first car. And the next, okay. And the next E4 means the whole universal. E4 represents what? Comfortability. The whole universal car. All the cars are comfortable. You feel that like that. Okay. Next E5. E5 means that, what is E5? Colorful. So the third and the fifth car are colorful according to your decision. So this means that car of expansive. This means that car of beautiful. And this means that car of attractive. And the next one comfortable, like that. So this is by your opinion. Next, your mother sometimes, your father, your mother sometimes have different opinion. Am I right? Okay. Your mother sometimes feel different opinion. That also, her decision also can be written in the form of what? A set. A set. Okay. So at the first side of the set, you can say that it must be, we can represent this as A because E1, E2, E3, E5. Here C feels that the second car is an expansive one. C feels that the second and the fourth car is a beautiful one. And the second car is an attractive one. They didn't talk about the comfortable seating arrangements. He didn't talk about. Suppose he feels that any of these cars have comfortable seating arrangement like that. So don't satisfy with this 5 cars about comfortable seating arrangements. So we can hear this as empty. The parameter E4, this is an empty set. So we leave it. If we have an empty set, we leave it. Am I right? So the next, according to your brother, okay, according to your brother decision, he feels that He feel all things. Expensive car he can choose, and then beautiful car he can choose, and then attractive car. See, does not satisfy the component attractive. Any of the cars are not attractive, he feels like that. So that we don't want to write. So therefore this will be considered as an empty set. So here we leave it. Can you able to understand how to write a set? Decision. I'm right. Next is sister. Sister. Suppose your sister may feel like that. These are the members' decision by a set. Okay. So this set is known as soft set. This set is known as soft set. So we write, to write soft set, we need set of universal set of decision parameters. So if you have this means, we can write. So okay. So can you guess what is this? This is a universal set. What is this? This is a subset, am I right? Here you have the component, you know. This is a subset of the universal set. Am I right, ma? This is a subset of the universal set. Then what is this? This is a attributes. This is a attributes. Normally in fuzzy set also we have a mapping from universal set to closed interval 0, 1. That also can be written in the form of order pairs. Am I right? Order pairs. So here also we have a mapping. We have a mapping F from A to P of U. What is P of U? In the previous classes we have discussed. Okay, in set theory we have a clear idea about P of set. What is power set of U? So F is a map. You have a universal set U and you have a decision parameter E and choose any of the subset. A is a subset of E. A is a subset. Here we have, I think. Here we have. Okay. So A, B, C. These are the subset of E only. These are the subset of E only. Am I right? So A is a subset of E. A is a subset of E. A is a subset of E and P of U is a power set of U. Just define a mapping between A to P of U like this. A to P of U. This set is known as soft set. It is denoted by F of A. That is A to P of U. This is an element of E is an element of A. F of E is an element of what? P of U. Power set of U. For every E belongs to A and F of E belongs to P of U. If the element E does not have any character, in some case they don't satisfy that, we leave it as empty. If E does not belongs to A, it is treated as empty set. Now you have clear idea about a soft set. Okay. Here we have one more. U is an universal set for the same problem. U is an universal set. E is a set of parameter. You have to choose. A is a subset of E. The subset may be, okay, here we leave what only? E4 only. A is a subset of U. Define the mapping like this. Seriya? E1 to C2, E3 to C2, C4, E3 to C2. So this is one soft set. Okay. This is another soft set. Okay. What's the reason to define this set like this? What's the main reason, ma? To define the decision parameters. Decision. Okay. So now the decision of your father, yourself and your sister can be in the form of mathematics. Am I right? The decision of your family members is in the form of mathematical formation. It is very easy to solve a solution. So here is a very simple example for you. But in the field of medicine or in the field of engineering, in the field of agriculture, they wants to take many decisions. So this set plays a very, very, very important role in all the fields. Which field need decision? Okay, which field need decision? So okay, when we talk about set, then the next stage it must be, when we in classical set theory, when we study about set means in the next stage it must be operations of set. Am I right? Operations of set. What are the operations you all know? In set theory, union you all know, intersection you all know, complement. Next, these are the basic basic operations. So for the soft set also, we are going to study next the basic operations. Then only we can able to apply to solve any problem. Okay, right. Okay, next, what's the main relationship between soft set with ordinary set? Ordinary set means the crisp set URL, classical set theory. What's the relationship between these two? Can you able to guess? What's the relationship between soft set with fuzzy set? What's the relation, ma? Already in the first, I introduced that. Fuzzy set, what's the relation? Which one is the subset of other? Fuzzy set, the mapping just between closed interval, A to closed interval 0, 1. Here, A to E. Which one is the subset? Fuzzy set is a subset of soft set. Okay. So, the relationship between here, every ordinary set is a soft set itself. Okay. Every ordinary set is a soft set itself, and every fuzzy set may be considered as a special case of soft set. That is, fuzzy set is a subset of what? Soft set. This is the main relation between the sets we already know. Okay. Next is subset, soft subset. What is subset? An ordinary set, classical set. What is subset? You know, what is subset? You have to choose some element from the set. It does not have any element without that set. Okay, that is the subset. Here also is soft subset. Okay, you have to compare two sets. FA and GB be two soft sets over the common universe. What is universal set? The whole set. Okay, for the same universe, common universe only, we can discuss two sets which are subset or not. Okay, choose two sets where A and B are subset of E. It must be A is contained in B. A is contained in B. Okay, then for all E belongs to A, F of E and G of E are identical parameters. That is, F of E is contained in G of E for every E belongs to A. The first, FA and GB are soft set. It must be A and B are subset of E, and the next one, A is a subset of B, and F of E is for every A belongs to E, A, F of E is contained in G of E. Then we can say that this F of A is a subset of what, ma? Subset. This soft set F of A is a subset of G of B. Or otherwise we can call G of B is the soft set, that is the superset of F of A. Can you able to understand? Subset, we can say F of A is a subset of G of B, or otherwise G of B is a superset of F of A. So this is a subset. Okay. Next, here we have one example. Look at this. In the same example, I have write what means F is a mapping from A to P of U. I have defined here FA is a mapping. FA is a soft set. Am I right? Is it a soft set? Yes. Next, you have to choose another set B like this. Okay. And GB is also a soft set. That is a mapping from B to P of U. I have two soft sets. Am I right? Two soft sets. You have to consider this two set. I want to check FA is a subset of GB. The soft set FA is a subset of GB. I want to check like this. Okay. In the first stage, what do you want to check, ma? A is a subset of B. That's the first stage for a subset. Okay, I want to check. Okay, what is A? E2, E3. What is B? E1, E2, E3, E4. So check this. It clearly shows that E2 and E3 lies in B. Therefore, we can say A is a subset of B. Okay, so in the next stage, you want to check for every E belongs to this A, F of E is contained in G of E. F of E means this one, am I right? This is F of E2, this is F of E3. Okay, F of E2 is contained in G of E2, am I right? F of E2 what here? C4. C4 is contained in G E2 of G of E2, that is C4 here. Next, what you hear? F of E3. F of E3 is nothing but C1 C2. Here G of E3 is C1 C2. So it clearly says that from this we can conclude here A is a subset of B, and for every parameter of A, this A, we have F of E is equal to G of E. Therefore, we can say that this F of A is a subset of G of B. In the next, you can see another example. Not a subset. Not a subset. Here we have a function set A, and we have defined the set B for the same parameter set. A and B are subset of A, right? A is a subset of E and B is also a subset of E. And we have defined the soft set FA and GB. Am I right? I want to check for the first condition, A is a subset of B. Am I right? E2, E3 is that. Here also E3 is that. So A is a subset of B. Am I right? The next you want to check for every for every E belongs to A, F of E is contained in this G of B. Here E2 I want to choose. F of E2, what you have? F of E2 C4 only. Here G of E2 C2 C4. So here we have F of E2 is a subset of G of E2. Next I want to choose. What about F of E3? C1 C2 C4. What about G of E3? C1 C2. Here this C4 here is that, here is not that. So it is not F of E3 is not a subset of G of E3. So we can conclude that not a subset. F of A is not a subset of G of E. In the reverse also, G of B is not a subset of F of E. Like that. Okay. So the next, number of possible subsets of a soft set. In set theory concept, suppose X is a set, X have n elements. How many possible subsets for X? 2 power n elements. In set theory, we are all know. X has n elements means then the possible subsets, that is the power set of X is 2 power n. Here we have discussed about soft set. Okay. So the possible subset of number of possible subset of soft set, that is known as power set. Power set of a soft set is, look at here, the power set of soft set is denoted by like this. Okay, P of Fe, where F of Fe is a soft set. Fe is a soft set. You want to check how many subsets, possible subset exist for this. Okay, the formula for this, here also 2 power summation E belongs to E, the cardinality of E. What is cardinality of E? F of E. Cardinality of F of E means number of elements in that F of E. You know F of E is a set, ordinary set. Okay, the number of elements in that. Okay, here see this example. This is a universal set. How many elements are there? Only 2 elements. This is a parameterized set. How many elements are there? Here also 2 elements. I can write a soft set. Fe is nothing but E1. Both the parameter receive the whole set. XY. So this is a soft set. This is one example for soft set. Here E1, this is F of E1. Am I right? Here E2, this is F of E2. Next, the power set of the soft set, the formula we have defined previously is 2 power summation for every E belongs to E, cardinality of F of E. Here we have 2 E's, E1, E2. Okay, for E belongs to E, what about F of E1? Cardinality of F of E1 plus cardinality of F of E2. What about the cardinality of F of E1? 2, number of elements. Here you have 2 elements. Okay, what about the cardinality of this is F of E2? Here we have 2. Am I right? So 2. So 2 power 4. Am I right? Okay. So this is a formula. This is a formula to find the power set of any soft set. It is based on what ma? The parameter. The parameterized set only. For each parameterized set, you want to find f of E1 plus f of E2 cardinality like this. Okay. In the next, suppose for this soft set, I have listed all the possible subsets. All the possible subsets. Here we have discussed, how many possible subsets for this? 16 possible subsets. I have listed here. Okay. This is a whole set. We know any set is any whole set is one of the subset of itself. Am I right? So this is a whole set. This is one subset. The empty set. This is another subset. Then the next E1 comma X. Next you can write E1 comma Y. And E1 next E2 comma X. E2 comma Y. Like that you can write all the subsets. We can check. We can check by it is the subset of or subset of this or not. You can check easily. Okay. The next soft equal set. It is very simple, I think. You have to come back to soft set. When we can say both are equal, when we can say one is a subset of other and other is a subset of the previous one. Then only we can say the soft sets, two soft sets are equal. Next union. Next what ma? Union. You have to consider two soft sets FA and GB be two soft sets over the common universe U. Mind it, over the common universe only you can check two sets. Common universe. The universe must be universal set. Whole set must be a same one. Okay. Next, the union of two set is again a soft set. Union of two set is again a soft set. It is defined by just you have two sets, A and B. Already we know A and B are subset of E. Find the union first. A union B, take it as C. For every C element, every element of C, we can find if that E belongs to both A and B means you write the union of that set as F of E union G of E. If this E belongs to both F of E, A and B means we write F of E union G of E. If this E belongs to A difference B. In set theory, we can easily find the difference of two sets. Am I right? How to find the difference of two sets? Find the difference if this E belongs to A difference B means then we can write F of E. If this E belongs to B difference A means we write G of E. Where we have from E? E is from C. What is C? A union B. From this way we can find the union of two sets. You can check it at home. Okay. Collect two soft sets, try to find the union. Okay. Next, intersection. Intersection. You have to take two sets, FA and GB, be two soft sets over the common universe U. Then the intersection of two soft sets, it is denoted by FA intersection GB. This is also another soft set. C is equal to A intersection B. You can easily find. Okay. For every E belongs to this C, H of E. H of E is nothing but the intersection soft set. F of E intersection C of E. Here also we can check it at, you can check it at home. Okay. By giving example. Next, I come to the first introduced example. Okay. Core example. We need have some solution for this. Okay. We have already defined that how to convert this real life problem into mathematical problem. We defined that. Okay. What is your father opinion, mother opinion, sister and brother. Now you want to give a solution, simple solution for that using the concept of soft intersection. Okay. So here we have the same example, yours opinion. By yours opinion can be written like this. Okay. Suppose your decision is like this means this is a soft set, right? This is your mother opinion means this is another soft set. Suppose this is your brother opinion means this is another soft set. And like this is your sister's opinion. Consider like this. It may be vary. Okay. The opinion may be vary, but in this example I consider like this. These are the opinions by given by your family members. Okay, I want to solve this. First find the intersection. Okay, intersection you want to find? First find the intersection for each parameterized set. E is one of the parameterized set by yours, and A is another parameterized set by your mother, and B is another parameterized set by your brother, like this. So you want to find the intersection of the set. First you want to find the intersection of this parameterized set. Am I right? For that, how to choose the parameterized set? Here E is a parameterized set. Here A is another parameterized set. That is a decision given by your mother. Here your brother, your sister, like this. You want to find first E intersection A, intersection B, intersection C. That's the first stage to find the intersection of this soft set. Okay, find E intersection A, intersection B, intersection C. Okay, so here we have find what it means the intersection. That's a normal intersection set theory. Okay, so what we have? What we have? The element E2. Okay, the next stage to find the intersection of this element, intersection of this soft set. For every E belongs to D, find F of E intersection G of E intersection H of E intersection I of E. That is, take it as J of E. That is the intersection soft set image. Okay. So here in D only one parameter E2 only you have. You want to find what ma? F of E1, am I right? F of E2, F of G of E2, H of E2 and I of E2. Here you can choose, I think. What is F of E2? C2, C4. G of E2, C2, C4. H of E2 and here C E2, what it is? C4. So we have written here at the end we have C4. So this is a solution. That is, by your family members they have chosen which is the correct choice. Which one is the correct choice? Which one is the correct choice? The car C4. The car C4 is the correct choice. Okay, by which satisfies all of your family members' opinion. All of your family member opinion. Okay, so this is a correct choice. Am I right? So this is a solution for this, for your father. This is the correct choice. This is the solution for this, for your what? Father. Am I right? So okay ma, so far in this section we have discussed how to convert, say ma, the real life problem into mathematical problem using set theory. Am I right? Next we have introduced soft set. Soft set is nothing but a generalization of fuzzy set. Fuzzy set we know. Next we have discussed the basic operations. What is soft subset? What is, how many possible subsets exist for a soft set? We have discussed on formula. Am I right? Next we have discussed soft union, soft intersection, and we have solved the problem which we have in the beginning. Okay, you are given a correct choice to your father by this soft set theory. Mainly it is focused on agriculture, in the field of agriculture, in the field of decision, in the field of engineering, they want to take lot of decision. So soft theory, set theory is a parameterized tool for dealing with uncertainty problems. Okay. In the next section, we are going to discuss major operations for soft set. Thank you ma. Thank you.